Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2024 Chevrolet Colorado? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Colorado. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado is located under the hood and provides protection for various critical electrical components of the vehicle, including the engine, transmission, and cooling system. Key features include easy-to-access fuses and relays for systems like the battery, headlights, ignition, and fans. Each fuse is clearly labeled for straightforward troubleshooting and replacement. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado is located on the driver's side of the dashboard, near the lower part of the instrument panel. This fuse block controls and protects electrical components related to the interior of the vehicle, such as the radio, power windows, interior lighting, and dashboard functions. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification, making it simple to troubleshoot and replace fuses as needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.